guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be doing this hand. If you haven't watched the video where I did these, basically I just did a fill on these. I shouldn't even do this because they were a fill. I did a fill on these, and then now I'm gonna do a fill on these nails. Excuse the noises, kids are just playing outside, you know what it is. So I'm gonna remove the design on these nails. I'm gonna file them down. I have my paper towel here. Last time I used a sanding band to file down the design, but I want to try using this carbide bit. I just feel like it's so good with, like, for everything. At this point I'm like, why do I even have so many like sanding bands? Because this makes sense. This really makes sense. So I want to see if this would work well to remove the design. I need to wear a mask. Let me wear a mask. Did I just file into my nail? I just fell into my nail. Girl, what's wrong with you? Are they in the way? Let's do this. Okay, I am done filing these. This is the best bit, I'm not gonna lie. I should have used it on my right hand rather, but it's okay. Oh, I didn't go on my cuticles for my pinky, but so far I think that looks well. I'm just gonna go on with the hand file onto my nails, just to remove the top coats and to crispen up the shape a bit, because obviously they are rounded. So I'm just gonna crispen up a bit. They are still gonna be rounded, but you know what I mean. Make sure that this color is off and stuff. Alright, so I'm done with hand filing. I didn't push back my cuticles. I'm just not in the mood of doing a fill. So I just filed a bit over the cuticles, but I didn't really push them back because I'll have to do a whole... I'm lazy, guys. I'm lazy because I'm filming this the same day that I did these. So let me quickly wash my hands and then I'll be back to start with the nail design. Maybe I might have to cut a bit of those lifting parts, but I really don't want to find myself, you know, pushing the cuticles back and then next thing I have to do a whole fill like I did on my other hand. I'm actually quite tired today. Maybe that's all I need to do. So I just washed my hands, you guys. I feel like I've been using this Bling Girl top gel, and I don't know, I know we're not focusing on this hand in this video, but it literally, do you guys see that? I don't like that. And this is not the first time I actually noticed this. I was like, okay, is this supposed to be a wipe top coat? Does it say no wipe? No, it doesn't, but am I supposed to wipe it? Because it leaves, like, it grabs on lint. Even when I washed my hands right now, like, the dust wouldn't go off, and I was like, what on earth is going on? So yeah, that sucks because I have one extra bottle from Bling Girl, like one extra bottle of the top coat. So I'm gonna have to use another top coat that I've tried from my mini Shein haul, that I've noticed that doesn't really dull down, but I feel like it's dulling down my nails. Anyway, let me top coat these off camera because they were bothering me, and then we'll get back to this hand. Guys, look at that. Do you guys see the difference? I'm using this top coat. No, I think I'm gonna start using the Bling Girl top coat on my toes because I'm not happy. I'm really not happy with that top coat. It's not the first time. I just thought that maybe, you know, it's me, but no, it's not me. It's the top coat. That's much better, don't you guys think? Anyway, so I'm gonna go on with this base coat onto my nails. We are focusing back onto the nails that we are doing a fill on. I think I'm out of base coat. Might have to use another one. Right, so I have cured the base coat. I'm just gonna wipe the tacky layer of the top coat. We're gonna do a very simple design. I've seen a lot of people do it, or rather I've seen a lot of pictures on Pinterest. Guys, do you see the tint of the nails? It looks like it goes from light to dark to lighter. That's weird, but anyway, I'm gonna do a floral design, like a colorful Frenchie. Colorful Frenchies using the pink, yellow, and orange. I don't know what to search for on Pinterest to find a reference picture, but I've seen a lot of people, or rather, like I said, I've seen a lot of pictures of this design, so I'm just gonna go for it. I don't have a reference picture with me right now, so just relax and watch. I'm sure you've seen this design too, but if I do find a reference picture before editing, then I will add it on. Right now I'm just going off the top of my head. And then I'm just gonna go over and contrast my Frenchies. I'm sure you guys know this design, right? You guys see the vision, right? Oh wow, that went like so quick. I didn't expect that to be so good. I think I should make that a bit thick. Right, and then for these two nails, I am going to be doing flowers. They look simple, but I know for a fact that anything that looks simple usually isn't that simple. So let's see how I do with these. Because so far the first flower went well, but it did take me, you know, longer than it should for its size. I don't think that is bad. Okay, I don't think that is bad. Right, so I'm done with the flowers. I don't really like how spaced they are. I just feel like they're just all over the place, but it's fine. It's part of art. I'll just take it as that. But now for the centers of the flowers, because at this point I feel like they kind of look like gingerbread men or something. But I'm gonna use this rhinestone glue and I'm gonna put on these small rhinestones that I hardly use. So I'm like, you know what, let's just do stuff that we hardly do. So I think I want to get a dotting tool because it might be a mess if I squeeze that out. So that's what I'm gonna do. Right, that is a design. That is it. I have a problem with this yellow. It always does this. It never really fully cures, and it does that. It wrinkles up, and it's a problem. It's a problem. I wanted to mention it earlier, but I was like, maybe I'll jinx it. So, but anyway, so I'm gonna apply a top coat onto my nails. I love this top coat. It's very shiny, and it stays shiny. I need to start taking my top coats seriously because after that bling girl one, I was like, in fact, no. And that is how the nails are looking, you guys. I actually wanted to use these flowers instead on my nails, but I didn't have the right matching colors. So I was like, okay, no, it's fine. I'll stick to the original design. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with this Sheet Lamb cuticle oil from Shein, and I'm gonna nourish those crusty cuticles. I'm actually having a hard time with top coat today. I don't know what is going on. If you guys know, let me know, because what I do usually is I top coat my nails, put them in the UV lamp, let them cool down so that I don't touch them or anything, so that the shine doesn't go away. But I feel like something is wrong. Where is the nail that I see? Like, I feel like they just catch on stuff. Literally, this is it. You see? Ugh, I am annoyed. And it leaves my nails not as shiny as I want them to. you know, so I don't really want to touch them too much, especially after I have just top coated them. I leave them to cool down, and I don't want any fingerprints on my nails. But anyway, if you're still watching this far, please leave a flower emoji to let me know. Also, let me know how I could have improved the set if you know any other way. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, honey, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.